Almost 4 months after their houses were razed to the ground by municipal bulldozers in Vadodara, a majority of slum dwellers of 2 colonies are still shelterless despite their rehabilitation colonies ready for possession. Displaced people, majority of whom are from the minority community, allege a communal bias. Rohit Bhan reports.
Almost daily, Mushtaq Sheikh visits what once used to be his house for close to 30 years. Razed to the ground about 4 months back when the municipal corporation bulldozed over 700 dwellings in Kalyan Nagar slums, inhabited mostly by Muslims. 4 months on, the administration has failed to keep its promise of an alternate house, despite 2 rehabilitation colonies coming up. An angry Sheikh alleges discrimination.
कलाली में जब तोड़ा था तो बोला था कि आपको हम कलाली में देंगे। सयाजीपुरा का हमने बोला, तभी सयाजीपुरा में भी वहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्शन उठा रहे। वहाँ के जो कॉर्पोरेटर साहब है और आजू बाजू के जो लोग रहने वाले थे उन लोगों को लेकर उन्होंने भी कमिश्नर को और मेयर साहब को आवेदन दिया कि भाई मुस्लिम लोग यहाँ पे नहीं आने चाहिए।
Nazim Pathan used to stay in Kamatipura area, where over 300 slums were cleared. In their case, even the Gujarat High Court had directed the administration that they be provided houses at Kalali, since it was somewhat closer to where they were staying. In March alone, they were told twice that draw of lots for allotment would be held, but that did not happen.
अब ये इन लोगों का ऊपर से कुछ प्रेशराइड है या पॉलिटिकल इश्यू है, ये क्या अभी वजह वो लोग खुद बता नहीं रहे। बस हम जाते हैं बोले काले तमारो ड्रॉ चाहिए।
While corporation officials are tight-lipped, BJP leaders admit there is pressure from local residents.
वो सोसाइटी एरिया है और उनको ऐसा कहना था कि यहाँ पे नहीं बनने चाहिए, इतने सारे लोग को यहाँ पे अलॉटमेंट नहीं मिलना चाहिए।
Over 1,040 houses are ready for possession. In the last 1 month, those who have been displaced have been assured that they will be provided houses after draw of lots. But that really hasn't happened. The administration has officially refused to give the reason why there have been delays. In Vadodara, with camera person Natwar Parmar and Nilesh Thakkar, Rohit Bhan for NDTV.